lipstick. Should you wear it? And if so, why? What are the advantages of wearing lipstick? So we're going to look at the pros and cons of lipsticks. First of all, why should you wear it? Well, number one, the color. If you have the correct color on your lips, then it will make your face come alive. If you have the wrong color on your lips, it can make you look sallow. So in another video, we are going to be looking at which lipstick color would look best for you. The other advantages is that when you wear a lipstick, if you have a lipstick that contains zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, it protects your lips from the sun. Now, we need to look at the ingredients. So when you look at the ingredients in your lipstick, the first thing to look at is the pigments. So most lipsticks contain F, C, and D dyes, which are petroleum byproducts. And these petroleum byproducts are not good for the human body. In fact, over the course of our lifetime, most women consume about 2 kilograms of lipstick. So we don't really want to be consuming all those petroleum byproducts. So what to look for? In a lipstick that won't do you any harm, you need to look for lipstick that's made from natural oxides, micas, zinc oxide, even titanium dioxide. All of these won't harm you if you slightly ingest them from time to time, as you do in lipstick. And they will also protect your lips as well. Now the other ingredients to look at, now there's many ingredients that are in most lipsticks, but we're going to look at two main ingredients for now. So unfortunately, most modern lipsticks are now made from a lot of things like silicones, but I'm not talking about those lipsticks. Let's look at natural lipsticks. So in a lipstick, it's usually made from, as well as this is one of my lipsticks, it's made from pigments and oils and waxes. So first of all, I prefer to use natural waxes such as candelilla wax, which is a plant wax. Some lipsticks also contain beeswax. But the main ingredient is castor oil. Now, castor oil is a fantastic oil for the skin. It's antifungal, it's anti-inflammatory. It also helps to nourish nourish the skin and moisturizes as well. So castor oil is a fantastic product to use in a skincare item or a cosmetics. The only problem is that most castor oil is extracted with hexane, which is again from petrol. And unfortunately, residues are still in at the end of the extraction. So if you buy a lipstick that contains castor oil or any product that contains castor oil, you want to make sure that it's hexane-free and organic. And if it just says castor oil on the packaging, just ask the manufacturer, is this organic? Is this hexane-free? Now the other ingredient that I want to bring to attention is shea butter. And again, the same principle arises here too. Most shea butter is refined by bleaching, and again, it's extracted using solvents. So again, you want to get a shea butter that is naturally extracted and also organic. And if it is refined, and you really do need to use refined shea butter in lipstick, otherwise it's gritty, then you want to make sure that it's naturally refined. So learn your ingredients, and if you don't know, just look them up or ask an expert what these ingredients are, what they mean, how they are, do they have any side effects, harmful effects to the body, or are they okay? So I do hope you find this useful, and wear your lipstick, and it's bye for now.